Trading time for money at a 9-to-5 job won't make you wealthy. True financial independence comes from owning a business. As Naval Ravikant famously said, stepping into the shoes of a business owner is the key to building wealth. Today, I'll uncover the quickest, most beginner-friendly ways to launch your own venture and take control of your financial destiny. While many fail to achieve wealth due to misconceptions about the risks and complexities involved, the truth is with the right business model. Starting your own business can be straightforward and highly profitable. Now, in a digital era where technology like AI has exploded opportunities, anyone with a laptop and Wi-Fi can start generating significant income online. In this video, I'll guide you through the top beginner-friendly online business models of 2024, helping you pick the right one to maximize your profits fast. This isn't just a chance to build a business. It's an opportunity to redefine your financial, location, and time independence. Watch this video to the very end so you don't miss the tips and hacks that will accelerate your progress and give you the keys to immediately start and drive your business to success. Hop in, we're riding the digital wave. Business model number 1. If you're watching this video, you're likely already familiar with common advice on starting a digital product business by creating simple templates and selling them on platforms like Etsy. While there's nothing wrong with this advice, I'm here to expand your horizons and bank account by offering a more dynamic and sustainable approach to starting a digital product business. Starting a digital product business is not only beginner-friendly, it's the easiest business model on our list today, offering an excellent way to tap into the digital economy. Imagine creating a product once and selling it indefinitely without any recurring costs. This is the true magic of digital products. But what if I told you that you don't even need to create your own product to run a successful digital product business? That's right, you can profit from selling medium to high ticket products created by others, making at least $200 per sale. And in just a few moments, I'm going to hand you the keys so you can start the car and drive your digital product business to success without having to create your own products from scratch. But first, let's discuss why this model is perfect for beginners. Digital products can range from ebooks on specialized topics, comprehensive online courses, to innovative software tools, and even creative digital art. These products are instantly accessible to a global audience, eliminating geographical barriers and vastly expanding your market reach. Here's why this business model is ideal for those just starting out. Low production costs. Digital products require minimal upfront investment. There's no need for physical inventory or significant capital. Your main investments are your time and creativity. High scalability. Once created, the cost to sell additional units is virtually zero, allowing for high returns on investment as your customer base grows. Global reach. With just an internet connection, your products can reach customers worldwide, from the other side of the globe to your next-door neighbor. Now you may be asking, how do I start a digital product business? Here's our simple 4-step framework. Step 1. Identify your niche. Start by identifying your passions and areas of expertise. The intersection of what you love, what you know, and where you can make money forms the perfect niche, or what we call the sweet niche formula. To find your sweet niche, make a list of at least 10 personal interests, ranging from your hobbies to professional skills. Then, compare this list to sectors known for being profitable in the digital product space, such as health, wealth, relationships, finance, technology, and travel. Select a niche that marries your passions with market demand and profitability potential. This ensures you are laying a strong foundation for your digital product business. If you need some additional assistance on choosing your sweet niche, you can grab our free Sweet Niche Formula Guide and Workbook from our description below. Step 2. Create your digital product. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to decide what you'll create for your audience. You want to create a product that delivers value. Consider what will most benefit your target audience. When deciding on a product type, think about their needs, preferred content format, and how you can offer something unique within your niche. Use tools like Answer the Public and Google Trends to understand your audience needs. Then use tools like Canva for designing visual content, like ebooks or infographics, and Kajabi or Teachable for hosting and building online courses. But remember I said I was handing you the keys to start your digital product business without having to create your own products? Well, if you're not ready to create from scratch or want to accelerate the process, opt for done-for-you products with resale rights. These are pre-made items like ebooks or courses that can be branded as your own and help you quickly tap into the market. To get started, without creating your own digital product, check out the Digital Income Toolkit at the first link in our bio. This comprehensive done-for-you kit includes everything you need to launch a profitable digital product business. With over 12 detailed guides, each piece of content comes with resale rights, allowing you to customize, rebrand, and sell it as your own. You can sell this as a full kit or sell it individually as separate ebooks. The options are endless. The Digital Income Toolkit is crafted specifically with beginners in mind. It's packed with incredible value, providing all the essential tools and step-by-step strategies every new digital CEO needs to succeed online. Just click the first link in our bio to start your digital product business today. Step 3. Choose the right selling platform. While you can start by listing your products on sites like Stan Store, Beacons, or marketplaces like Etsy and Gumroad to tap into their existing audiences, the ultimate goal should be to host your products on your own website. This way, you control the customer experience and avoid marketplace fees. Platforms like Hostinger can help you set up your website and e-commerce quickly with their AI-driven tools. Step 4. Build your audience and drive sales through content creation. Now that your digital product is ready, the next step is to attract and engage potential buyers. Begin by offering a valuable freebie, such as an ebook, template, or a video tutorial, which you can give away in exchange for email addresses. This not only helps build your list, but also establishes a rapport with your audience. Continue by creating content that resonates with your target market, whether it's blog posts, podcasts, videos, or social media updates. If you're looking for tailored guidance on crafting content that converts on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and through email marketing, the Digital CEO Starter Kit included in the first link in our bio could be just what you need, as it's packed with resources to help you create content that drives engagement and sales. Be sure to optimize your content for search engines to enhance visibility, ensuring it reaches the right audience. Actively promote your content across various social media platforms to engage with your audience and drive traffic to your website. Utilize the insights from the kit to maximize your content's impact. By consistently applying these strategies, you're not just selling products, you're building a strong online presence that boosts your business growth. Remember, success in the digital product business isn't just about creating products and throwing them on Etsy to see what sticks. It's about creating real value that solves problems, educates, entertains, and simplifies life for your customers, making this business model not only lucrative, but also incredibly fulfilling. Business model number 2. A decade ago, some believed it was too late to start a YouTube channel, and similar doubts persist today. However, it's crucial to understand that now is an ideal time to begin your YouTube journey. The world is increasingly shifting its focus to platforms like YouTube, with corporations allocating more marketing budgets to these channels as they recognize the growing attention here. Drawing parallels to history, a century ago, advertisers moved from newspapers to radio as it gained popularity in the late 1920s. Radio remained prominent for almost 30 years until television became widely accessible in the early 1950s, compelling advertisers to shift their marketing investments to TV. This transition endured for nearly 60 years, until the emergence of the internet as we know it today. The same pattern is unfolding as we witness the attention shift to online platforms, including YouTube. This shift has just begun, and it's reminiscent of previous transitions. Video content is dominating and here to stay. Starting now can help you capture this growing attention, leading to substantial rewards. Plus, the recent rise of AI tools, such as InVideo AI, has also made starting a successful YouTube channel easier than ever. InVideo AI takes care of your production from start to finish, including script writing, editing, and generating the footage for your video. You don't need to be on camera. Many successful channels are faceless, earning thousands of dollars per month from ads, sponsorships, digital products, and affiliate marketing. Explore the Digital Income Toolkit, which includes a detailed quick start guide to launching and growing a profitable YouTube channel. Click the first link below for access. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for immediate updates to our library of free resources and strategies on online business, marketing, and AI, all designed to help you succeed. Now, let's dive into our third and final solopreneur business model. Business model number 3. If you're skilled in areas like digital marketing, graphic design, or content creation, launching an agency might be your ideal business model. An agency allows you to leverage your expertise to provide valuable services to other businesses. I want you to consider this. Digital marketing is critical for all businesses, both online and offline. We live in a digital world, and digital marketing connects businesses with their ideal customers via digital channels, which is crucial as more consumers move online for shopping and services. It's no wonder the field is thriving and projected to grow significantly, reaching $1.5 trillion by 2030. Starting a digital marketing agency presents a unique opportunity to tap into this lucrative market with minimal initial costs. This model is particularly advantageous because it capitalizes on your existing skills and knowledge to deliver high-value services, potentially earning significant profits with proper strategy and execution. Even if you don't have the skills yet, there are countless courses available to help you learn and implement digital marketing. So let's discuss the 5 steps to launch and grow your digital marketing agency. Step 1. Set clear goals. Start by defining your objectives and establish realistic income and growth targets. While starting an agency can be cost-effective, formalizing your business, like setting up an LLC and creating your website, may involve minimal expenses but adds credibility. Step 2. Identify your specialty and become an expert. Choose a specific marketing service to offer, such as social media management, paid advertising, email marketing, or SEO. The digital marketing field is vast, so it's crucial to select a niche where you can excel. Avoid the pitfall of becoming a jack of all trades, but master of none. Specializing allows you to excel in one area, enhancing your marketability and operational efficiency. Build your expertise through courses. We'll link our top recommended digital marketing course in the description below. Or build your expertise through hands-on experience, which may include working at another agency or offering your services at discounted rates in the beginning to gain practical knowledge and credibility. Step 3. Implement essential tools and systems. Leverage key tools such as Hostinger for website development and presenting your services to potential clients, and High-Level or ClickUp for client relationship management and workflow optimization. These resources are crucial for streamlining your operations and enhancing your agency's professionalism. Step 4. Acquire clients. Focus on identifying potential clients who have the necessary budget and a need for your specialized services. Prioritize highly profitable sectors and large corporations that can afford and benefit from comprehensive digital marketing strategies. Step 5. Build, manage, and scale your team. As your client base grows, the need to expand your team may arise. Consider hiring internationally to tap into a cost-effective and diverse talent pool. Scale your agency by offering tiered service packages, utilizing referrals, and conducting cold email campaigns to draw in new clients. Ensuring top-notch service quality will enhance client satisfaction and promote organic growth through word-of-mouth referrals. Bonus tip: incorporate AI automation in your digital marketing services. As you establish your digital marketing agency, consider integrating AI-powered services to stay ahead of the curve, especially as more businesses are looking to integrate AI into their business models. For example, if your digital marketing agency specializes in lead generation, you could offer an AI-personalized cold outreach system. This service enhances business lead conversion by utilizing AI to generate personalized outreach messages from LinkedIn data. Traditional cold outreach often results in low response rates. However, this AI-driven approach increases engagement by tailoring messages to the specific details of each lead, making communications more relevant and personal. You would deliver this service by setting up a system to collect lead information, including LinkedIn profiles. Use a tool like Zapier, the system that extracts data from these profiles and inputs it into ChatGPT, which then crafts customized messages. These messages are automatically sent through an integrated email platform, significantly improving the conversion rate from lead to customer without requiring any coding skills. This is just an idea, but there are countless other ways to integrate AI automation in your digital marketing agency. By following these steps and utilizing the wealth resources available online, you can build a successful digital marketing agency with integrated AI automation that not only meets but exceeds your financial goals. Remember, the key to success in starting and running an agency is not just about the technical skills, but also about building relationships, understanding client needs, and consistently delivering value. That's a wrap for today. Thanks for joining us on this digital journey. Remember, no matter which business model you pursue, achieving your financial goals demands action, consistency, and a commitment to delivering quality and value to your customers. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more free resources and guidance. This is Digital Hippie, always encouraging you to work less, earn more, and live hippie.